Hello, I'm Dr. Andrew Cohen with Proactive Chiropractic, and I wanted to take a couple minutes to talk to you about a home workstation. You may be wondering why I have a box out. No, this is not an unboxing, although I will show you what I received, and that's a Rubik's Cube. So I have been working with a patient who can solve a Rubik's Cube in under 1 minute, and he's only 12. It has inspired me to want to learn how to figure out one of these things out so I can show him that I'm just as smart as he is. So this is going to keep me busy. Not only did I receive the Rubik's Cube, but I also received this box. And most of you receive at least 2 or 3 of these a week, and you should start looking at them differently, at least the first one. The reason for that is I like to use these as a monitor stand. So you don't have to spend a lot of money buying fancy monitor stands or laptop stands. And what you can do is simply put your laptop on top of the box. What that does is it separates the desk from your screen, thus bringing it closer to your eye level. That is huge. What that does is it allows your shoulders to stay relaxed, taking a lot of the pressure out of the shoulders, lets your head stay neutral instead of thrusting forward and down to work on a laptop. And it also reduces fatigue to the eyes from having to look at an angle. So eye fatigue can be a really common cause of headaches and migraines. So that's step one. Save a box, put your computer on top of it. Easy. The second thing is also easy. That's to grab a keyboard. Simple, just plug that into your computer. What it does is it allows your wrist to spread out a little bit. Keyboards on laptops are really small and compact. What that does is it forces your shoulders and wrists to come in at harsher angles, putting more pressure into the wrists, the elbows, creating carpal tunnel, sometimes some symptoms with the elbow, even tennis elbow or golfer's elbow can be a result of really bringing in your shoulders a lot and tightening up the elbows. So use a keyboard. They're pretty darn cheap. You can probably buy one for $10 or $12. The second thing is to buy a mouse. A mouse helps you keep your wrist in neutral. The problem with most laptops is they have a trackpad, which is typically in the center. So it forces you to even cross your center line and angle your wrist more. The mouse keeps you out here in a more neutral stance. Again, we're trying to decrease the wear and tear on your body so that you can feel better in between visits, able to train the way you want to when you're done working all day. The problem with the laptop is really the design. It's meant to be compact. It's meant to be portable. It's not meant for you to be working on it for more than 30 or 40 minutes. But in today's day and age, a lot of people are using their laptop for up to 8 to 12 hours a day. That creates so many problems with the body. So these 3 simple things will absolutely decrease the amount of wear and tear you put on your body and keep you happier. Again, if you have any questions, feel free to ask us at your next appointment or take the time to write it in the comment line and I'll respond to that. So thanks so much for watching. Make sure that you subscribe. We'll keep putting out easy tips like this to keep you healthy and happy. Take care and have a great day.